Ever felt like you are just a step behind the pulse of the market? Imagine a tool that not only keeps you in sync, but also ahead of the game. Welcome to the future of trading with FundedNext Session Bar Indicator, your gateway to mastering global trading sessions with ease and precision. Stay tuned till the end of the video to uncover the power of trading with unmatched clarity and customization. Let's jump right in. So this indicator shows the timings of active trading sessions of Sydney, Tokyo, London and New York. It positions rectangular color-coded boxes encapsulating the candles to visually represent the timing of the trading sessions. From the settings, you can choose to add fill color to the boxes, choose not to show the boxes at all, color the candles according to sessions, etc. The names are positioned on top of the boxes to help you understand which trading session the box is displaying. Let's go over the installation process. First of all, open your MT4 or MT5, click on File, open Data folder, go to MQL5, Indicators, download the zip file from our utility section of the dashboard, extract the download the zip file and you will find a folder named FundedNext Indicators. Copy the FundedNext Indicators folder into the Indicators folder. Now on your MT4 or MT5 platform, right-click on the Indicators on the Navigator panel and click Refresh. Under the Indicators folder, you will now see the FundedNext Indicators folder, under which you will find the Session Bar Indicator with the Session Indicator MT5 or MT4 folder. Right-click on the Session Bar and an Inputs tab will appear. You can customize the settings to your preference. You can also load the preset input file by clicking on the Load button. Now open the extracted folder and select the set file based on current time. Now click on OK and the indicator will load. Let's go over the input settings. You can manually input the time of the trading session in the input setting. You can also remove the boxes for any session they don't want to see by simply setting the value to false of any given session. You can also change colors of the boxes and candles. You can fill all the boxes with colors. And remember, with the folder you will also find two set files, one for summer and one for winter. So remember to load the correct file according to daylight savings. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Session Bar Indicator, exclusively from FundedNext. Ready to elevate your trading game? Head over to the utility section of your FundedNext dashboard and download this tool. Don't miss out on our future updates and cutting-edge tools designed with your trading success in mind. Subscribe to the FundedNext YouTube channel now and be part of a community that trades smarter, not harder. Trade with confidence, trade with FundedNext.